Hi, and welcome to my Tidbits for the week. One thing I wanted to mention is something I've been seeing a lot of recently, where the market is slightly changing and we're seeing buyers becoming a little more picky about the houses that they want to see and want to make offers on. And by picky, I mean that they're looking for things that are more updated, well cared for. I think, the COVID market that we saw a few years ago is gone, and now buyers are a little more finicky. I don't know what the right word is. So they want to come down. They don't want to spend a lot of time fixing up a house or doing repairs to a house. They want them already finished. And as a seller, you will get more money for your home if you've been taking care of it and it's in good shape and it's been updated over the years. So my biggest suggestion would be with any house, regardless of whether you're on the Cape or not, is to target one thing a year to do to update your home. So if your bathroom is older than 10 years old or your kitchen is more than 15 years old, consider doing something that's going to update it just a little bit. Maybe change a paint color. I hear grays are going out and my walls are gray. The whites and the creams are coming back in as a neutral color. The flooring, if you're looking and you've got vinyl flooring and maybe your bathroom or your kitchen, maybe consider updating, putting in some tile. If you do tile and you've got a couple of bathrooms and you do them both at the same time, that's great. If you have the frosted shower doors on, frosted glass doors with a metal trim, maybe consider getting a glass door. One little thing in your bathroom or your kitchen or your home is going to have a big impact. And those are the kinds of things that I see impressing buyers. Another thing would be light fixtures. So if you don't have recessed lights, maybe consider putting in some recessed lighting or maybe a nice updated light fixture. They can be done for a couple $100. And if you can hang them yourself or you have an electrician come in, it'll have a big impact on the room. So those are just some things that I recommend keeping up with your house. We're seeing a lot more houses coming on the Cape, so there's a lot more availability. And a lot of them, they may be well maintained, but they just haven't been updated. They may still have wallpaper. The bathrooms may be original. So things like that is what I'm seeing more of now. And with that, what happens is they sit on the market longer. It takes longer for them to sell, and then the prices are negotiated. So just something to think about. One little thing every year or every 6 months, and it doesn't have to be a big dollar value, in the long term can have a big impact. And most of all, you never know when you want to sell or when you may have to sell. So if you keep your house updated every year doing something, it's going to be a lot easier to get it market ready to put it on and sell it right away. My tidbit for the day. Have a great week, everybody.